Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful roses, which is very easy. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very easily. Here we are using just the double crochet stitches. So if you are the beginner, this is the best tutorial for you to crochet the roses. So without further delay, let's start our project. Before that, if you are watching my tutorial for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon, so whenever I upload new videos you will be getting the notification. And if you like the tutorial, don't forget to give thumbs up and share with your friends and families. So let's start our project. Let's start this project to the slip knot. Then we'll make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. The chains has to be multiples of 4. 81, 82, yarn over into the fourth stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the first loop of this, yarn over, pull through the first 2 and then second 2. Here we got 2 double crochet stitches. This turning chain became 1 double crochet, and this is the second double crochet. Yarn over into the third chain, insert the hook, make 1 double crochet. 3, 4. Yarn over into this, insert the hook like this, insert the hook into this, yarn over, pull through the first 2 and then second 2, pull through the first 2 and the second 2. Let's continue throughout this round a double crochet. So we have reached the last stitch. Now we will have here 80 double crochet stitches. Now let's make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, turn the project into this first stitch itself, first double crochet itself. We'll make 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we got 6 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now yarn over, let's count from here, from the next chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the fourth stitch, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2. It's a first double crochet, and then the second double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet, fifth double crochet, sixth double crochet. So we got here 6 double crochet stitches in between 3 chains. Yarn over into the fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, into the fourth chain, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, into the fourth chain, 6 double crochet. So same like this we are going to repeat till the end of this row. Now into the last stitch we'll make 6 double crochet stitches. So altogether we'll have 20 petals. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will be having 20 petals. Now turn the project. Into the very first stitch we'll make 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch we'll make 2 double crochets, 1 2, into the next 2, into the next 2, into the next stitch 2 double crochet, and to the last stitch we'll make 1 single crochet. So into the next petal we'll choose the first stitch, we'll make 1 single crochet, and then 2 double crochet, 1 2, 1 2. Now into the last stitch we'll make 1 single crochet, then chain 1. After leaving little longer yarn we will snip this off here. We can twist like this to make this flower. Very easy. Now the rose is ready. Now let's see how to make this sepal. For that I have taken here the green color yarn. Let's make the magic ring. If you are the beginner, just keep this yarn like this, and then inside the hook into this circle, take this yarn out, make 1 chain. It got secured. Now we are going to make 1 2 3 chains. This will be considered as a double crochet, and then into the same circle we'll make 1 more double crochet. So 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Pull this yarn just to make this circle closer. So we made here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. One more, 15. So totally we got here 15 double crochet stitches. Just pull this small yarn to close this circle. Then we are going to make into the third chain 1 2 3, into the third chain a slip stitch. So we got here the first round. Now let's make chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 chains we got here. And to the second chain, insert the hook, make 1 single crochet, and to the next make 1 single crochet, and to the next 1 half double crochet, and to the next 1 half double crochet, and to the next 1 double crochet, and to the next 1 double crochet. Now we will have 3 chains more. So yarn over 2 times into the first one, 1 triple crochet, yarn over, pull through the first 2, second 2, and the last. Yarn over 2 times, yarn over, pull through the first 2, second 2, and the last. Third time, yarn over, pull through the first 2, second 2 and the last 2. Now this is our first stitch, so we'll count this as 1, next one second, third, and to the fourth stitch we'll make one slip stitch. Again chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now we'll make one single crochet, and to the next one single crochet, one half double crochet, one more half double crochet, next is double crochet, one more double crochet, yarn over 2 times, triple crochet, into the next 3 chains, 1 2 3, again 1 2 3, and to the last 1 2 3. So count from this stitch 1 2 3 4, and to this fourth stitch we'll make one slip stitch. Again we got here 3, the last one. This we will do into the very first stitch where we started our first chain. They just insert the hook into this, then to the slip stitch, take into this and then make a chain, and then we can snip off this yarn. Our sepal is ready. This is how it looks. We got 5 petals in this. Now we want to hide these excess yarns into this, and then we will just roll this way. Very easily you can roll. Just keep this first one, just roll like this, and then you can just keep this even and then rotate. Then we'll automatically start to form the shape of a flower. Then these thread we will use to weave this inside. See, this will be coming like this, and then we can attach this. So